Come birdie, fly. Try to fly. No? You don't want to try flying? Such a light little thing. It's almost as if I'm not holding anything in my hand at all. It's crazy. And his little fingers are just like tiny, barely gripping on my hand. I'm just hoping he's okay. I don't want him to die here in like my house or anything. Or even die at all. Anywhere. I think he just needs a few moments to kind of figure out where he is. He just flew straight into this glass door. I don't know what he was thinking, but for some reason there's a lot of friends up here tonight. Just keeps closing his eyes and opening his eyes. I think he just had a concussion. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put him over here on my chair where you can kind of see the outside. He can fly if he needs to. Come on, jump off, jump off, jump off. Come back for him later today if he doesn't make it. Alright, buddy?